Have you ever thought about what it could be like to reside on the Moon? How about Mercury, Mars, or Venus? We certainly have, which is why we decided to investigate what it may be like to live on different planets in our solar system. Let's assume for our solar system journey that humans have the cutting-edge technology required to establish bases on the planets. Let's experience what it might be like to exist outside of Earth. The planet Mercury is nearest to the Sun and is uninhabitable, therefore colonizing it would probably not be the best idea. Mercury has the lightest atmosphere of any planet in the solar system, even thinner than Mars. The solar wind that is constantly emitted from the nearby Sun replenishes several components. The planet's severe temperature swings are also a result of the absence of an atmosphere. Venus might be a difficult planet for an astronaut to establish a base on because of its crushing pressures, scorching temperatures, and volcanoes. Venus is almost the same size as Earth, but its climate is hostile. The atmosphere contains 96% carbon dioxide and has an air pressure of 92 times that of Earth. Venus may reach temperatures of up to 465 degrees Celsius or 870 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hotter than even Mercury, the planet that is nearest to the Sun. The Moon wouldn't be the coziest place to live in. It is almost inhabitable for future lunar immigrants to locate love there due to its absence of an atmosphere and dusty surface. For explorers, living on the Moon would be very dissimilar from life on Earth. The Moon is a cruel mistress, exactly as the late science fiction author Robert Heinlein claimed, from its lesser gravity to its lack of air. There is no atmosphere, no weather, and no water oceans on the Moon. The surface of the Moon is always in a perpetual vacuum. Although colonizing Mars has long been a goal of human imagination, what would it take for people to live there? Mars has a gravity that is 1/3 of Earth's average and an atmosphere that is much thinner despite having a diameter that is half that of Earth. Humans cannot live with such low gravity. What little air there is on Mars has a density that is only 1% of the air here on Earth. More than 95% of the Martian air is carbon dioxide. Mars can't block dangerous radiation from space since it doesn't have a strong magnetic field as the Earth does. Therefore, it doesn't sound plausible for humans to live on Mars. Despite being a spherical object, the dwarf planet Ceres has very little atmosphere. The biggest asteroid in the belt, Ceres, measures 590 miles or 950 kilometers in diameter and is the smallest known dwarf planet. It's possible that Ceres has a thinner atmosphere and the possibility of an ocean of water beneath the surface. Future astronauts may extract Ceres water to make oxygen and rocket fuel, but no one could live there unprotected on its surface. What will human travelers to Europa, the icy moon of Jupiter, discover when they arrive? There's a chance that life already exists and is waiting for them. Jupiter's icy, cue-ball moon, Europa, has an internal ocean covered in an almost perfectly smooth ice coating. The correct conditions, according to scientists, might support the existence of life in Europa right now. Although the atmosphere of Europa contains some oxygen, it is far too tenuous for people to breathe there. Jupiter's deadly radiation is insulated from Europa's surface by its magnetic field. Life on other planets is not as comfortable as you might have thought living under the AC in a cozy room. But this does not stop us from finding out a way to live on other planets. Maybe a certain day will come when we are able to live on other planets. Leave a like and a subscribe so that we can bring more amazing content your way.